How do miniature schnauzers behave in environments with loud noises or crowds? Miniature schnauzers are renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and affectionate nature. They are highly adaptable and make great companions for individuals and families alike. However, like any breed, they may have particular behaviors and reactions when exposed to loud noises or crowded environments. In this article, we will explore how miniature schnauzers behave in such situations and provide some tips on how to help them cope. Point 1. Sensitivity to loud noises. Miniature schnauzers are generally sensitive dogs, and loud noises can often startle them. Fireworks, thunderstorms, or even loud music can cause anxiety and fear in these dogs. Their natural instinct may be to seek shelter or hide in such situations. Some miniature schnauzers may exhibit signs of distress like trembling, panting, or whining. To help ease their anxiety, it is essential to create a safe and quiet space for them during noisy events. This could be a designated room where they can relax, away from the commotion. Additionally, using noise-canceling devices or playing soothing music may help drown out external sounds and provide a calming atmosphere. Gradual exposure to loud noises, combined with positive reinforcement, can also help desensitize them over time. Point 2. Reaction to crowds. Miniature schnauzers are friendly and sociable dogs, but they may become overwhelmed in crowded environments. The hustle and bustle of busy streets, parks, or events can cause them to feel anxious or stressed. They may react by becoming agitated, pulling on the leash, or attempting to escape from the situation. To ensure your miniature schnauzer's comfort, it is crucial to prepare them for crowded environments gradually. Start by introducing them to smaller gatherings or quieter areas with fewer people. Use positive reinforcement and reward-based training to associate crowds with positive experiences. It may also help to have them on a short leash initially, providing a feeling of security and control. With time and patience, they will become more accustomed to crowded spaces and exhibit calmer behavior. Point 3. Training and socialization. Proper training and socialization from a young age play a crucial role in how miniature schnauzers react to loud noises and crowds. Early exposure to various sounds, sights, and experiences helps them develop the confidence and adaptability to handle different environments. Enroll your miniature schnauzer in obedience classes or hire a professional trainer to provide guidance on anxiety management and socialization techniques. Positive reinforcement training methods, such as clicker training, can be particularly effective in teaching them to remain calm and focused amidst distractions. Regular socialization exercises with different people, animals, and environments will help them become well-rounded dogs and minimize any fear or aggression towards loud noises or crowds. Point 4. Seeking professional help. If your miniature schnauzer's behavior in noisy or crowded environments becomes a cause for concern, it is advisable to consult a veterinarian or a professional dog behaviorist. They can assess your dog's specific needs and suggest appropriate strategies to address their anxiety or fear. In extreme cases, a veterinarian may prescribe anti-anxiety medication to help your miniature schnauzer manage their reactions to loud noises or crowds. However, medication should only be considered as a last resort and under the guidance of a professional. In conclusion, miniature schnauzers, like any dog breed, may have specific reactions in environments with loud noises or crowds. Sensitivity to loud noises and anxiety in crowded spaces are relatively common among these dogs. With the right training, socialization, and management techniques, you can help your miniature schnauzer remain calm and comfortable in such situations. Remember, understanding their needs and providing a safe environment will contribute to their overall well-being and happiness.